A high-speed chase ends in a crash as police apprehend the fleeing motorcyclist.
Priority. Southbound. 1680's picking up speeds are about 95. 1680, is there a helicopter available?
2 70, what are our speed?
Speed is 76 right now.
376, 427.
Trying to get next to him at Ford Road and go around. Coming up to
Yep.
straight through Grand Blanc.
2134, late 23, perfect. Yes.
Blowing the red over 23. 2 reds over 23.
Copy, over 23.
He's in a hard time shifting right now.
Good, John. I'm trying to box him in.
I got you.
Motor kick back up.
They almost lost. They're still southbound. Still.
Copy, just be advised you are approaching a dead end on Moorish there.
Clear. We're kind of on a 2-track right now. It's getting really narrow. Still southbound.
They crashed. They crashed through a march.